Hey there! Is your Xiaomi Mijia Pro robot vacuum not cleaning up the way it used to? Only running for 10 minutes before heading back to its charging dock? Sounds like a frustrating day, right? Sounds like a job for us. Let's see how we tackled this exact issue and brought this little cleaning champ back to life. So, a customer brought us their Xiaomi Mijia Pro robot vacuum, complaining that it only runs for 2 minutes before returning to the dock, and they asked us to figure out what was going on. We took it in and gave it a test run. And guess what? Just as the customer said, it started up, did a bit of cleaning, and then, boom! Back to the dock it went, as if it were allergic to dirt. It was clear something wasn't right. After a thorough checkup, we found the culprit, a faulty battery. That's right, the battery was so drained it couldn't even keep the robot vacuum going for a full clean. No wonder it was giving up so soon. We explained the situation to the customer and recommended replacing the battery. Once they gave us the green light, we got to work. To make sure everything was okay, we ran some unit tests to ensure the vacuum would be back to its hardworking self. Ta-da! All fixed up! Now, the Xiaomi Mijia Pro robot vacuum is zooming around and cleaning like it's on a mission. No more early returns to the dock, just pure, uninterrupted cleaning power. Is your robot vacuum giving you trouble? Hit us up, and let's get your robot vacuum back to its clean and shiny self.